Hey, today we are having something different. We are using magic in Photoshop. I didn't know even Photoshop has got magic things. But with this tool, we are going to remove this woven fence from the dog. I'm focusing on the front one. So first things first, I'm going to make a layer copy of my photo. So I want to make sure I always have a backup. And you should always have a backup. So even when things go wrong, you can easily go back and restore things. So I'm going to pick my eraser remove tool, and I'm going to just tweak some simple configurations. So I have to make sure stamp all layers is checked. You can just look straight up on the title bar, so you have to make sure stamp all layers is checked, and remove after each stroke is not checked. Why? This is going to help us, I'm going to do it at once, and after highlighting this, I'll just click on the check mark or to confirm, and AI or Photoshop AI will do the rest. So this thing can really save time. So all you have to do is to take your time and highlight. Yeah, it is kind of tedious, but you will get the best results, I assure you. So take your time, do this. It is simple. You can also try it out. You can get any photo. So for me, I picked this. I was interested. I got this from Pixels, and so let's do this. So right now we can proceed and click on the check mark. And we leave the rest to the Photoshop. And that's it, guys. So hope you have enjoyed this, and I think you're seeing your better results. If you're seeing something different, you can still go back and restore those parts. So you just highlight back and then confirm with the check mark, so it will still heal that part that has been maybe worked on wrongly. So alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.